Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you what to do if your Spotify Wrapped is not showing up. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information or steps. And without further ado, let's get on it. So one of the reason why your Spotify Wrapped is not showing is probably because your Spotify is not on its latest version. And to fix that, you just need to head into your Play Store or App Store and then just simply search Spotify and then click the update button if it is available. So after downloading or installing the updated version of your Spotify, just head in back into that Spotify and check if the Wrapped is already showing. But if that still didn't fix the problem, what you can do next is to try to uninstall. So just simply long press your Spotify and then click uninstall. And after uninstalling it, just head again into your Play Store or App Store and then download Spotify from there. Then after that, just tap into your Spotify again and log into your account and check if that fixes the problem. And then lastly, if that fix still didn't resolve the problem, what you can do next is to actually go into your browser, so right here, and then just simply search Spotify Wrap 2023 and just tap into the first result that you will be able to see. So just tap into that, and now you can log in your account here. And then after logging in, you should be able to see your Spotify Wrapped. And then additionally, if just for your information, you cannot actually have a Spotify Wrap if you don't have the premium version of Spotify. So if you want to have this Spotify Wrap, you need to actually acquire the Spotify Premium if you haven't already yet. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.